My name is DJ Profit. I'm the founder and CEO of Elite Ops Exterminators based in Washington, D.C. I started Elite Ops in 2017. So for the last 4 years, we've been operating as a solo location, and we are just ready to start franchising this fall in 2021. The biggest pain points with going through the franchising process is it's definitely new to us. It's something we haven't done. So it can be overwhelming to know the steps that we have to go through. So knowing the steps and then actually being able to push through and take the next step has been probably the hardest part. I had a lot of open-ended questions about what the next steps were. We're about ready to finalize our franchise sales and move into that part of the sales portion. So after the workshop, I was really clear where we fell in line in that process and what the next steps were going to be. So I feel 100% more confident with what we need to do, that we're almost to the finish line, and there are these clear notes and processes that we're going to take to move forward. I would say to anyone that is in the franchising process and it's new to them and something that they haven't been into before, it's definitely worth the time, worth the investment of your resources, because the knowledge that you're going to gain from that is very valuable. You're going to know what you need to do next, where you lie in the process now, and you have a confident team with Big Sky of knowing that they back you up and they've had this experience. So it's really clear and very valuable. I would definitely recommend the franchise workshop to anyone that's in the process. Even within our team, as we grow, it would be something that I'll send my team back to for further training, further understanding. I think we'll pick up new information each time, but it's certainly an asset that we'll use and I would recommend to other people.